old title on this one.
Certainly. There you go. They're standing both in the pockets, partner. Oh, seating up right there with hooks from Virel Vitor. Body shot by Vitor.
Oh,
wow.
the right punch by Virel Vitor.
To continue.
Sabi ko, partner, slight opening.
Oh, he's always been aggressive, but he's different right now. He has this single goal.
Nice exchange for both fighters.
Oh, wow. Oh!
Tyson Kim get caught.
That shot by... So.
Oh! Vitor down.
Oh!
Oh, they're
body
both
shots
fighting
by
each other
Virel
right now.
Vitor. Oh, counter by Tyson Kim. Our partner.
Oh, nice upper by Vitor. He is pretty much composed.
Oh, he's able to pivot out of harm's way.
Nice exchange for both fighter, partner. Wow, what a... Nice body punches by Vitor.
Overhand again by Vitor.
Vitor again.
Body shot by Kim.
Oh, that hand hurt Vitor again. That right sneaky left straight. I mean the right straight.
A minute to go. Excellent movement by Tyson Kim. Ano, you see, yung style na yun, partner. Nilalaro din niya ngayon si Vitor. Madali sumuntok for them.
We're heading the halfway through. At overhand right by Vitor again. Stun Kim.
Up top to cover up, for him to cover up, partner.
He trying to outmuscle Kim.
That stiff jab by...
Oh!
Vitor sensing that...
If you could see the pace of the protagonist of this round, masasabi man na...
Huge right hand!
1-2 combination!
By Virel Vitor! Wow! Virel Vitor! With that big right hand!
7th round. 7th round TKO for Virel Vitor.
Winning shot for Virel Vitor.
The 1-2 combination. The 1-2 combination. He did set up the left to execute that right. Congratulations, Virel Vitor, who rose from the occasion with a 2nd round knockdown, and he did win by 7th round KO.
Definitely, with 2 belts right now, Virel Vitor can potentially be our next world champion. Virel Vitor and his family are in tears. What an emotional moment, partner.
I think, partner, you could have measured the heart of Virel Vitor.
Certainly. And